Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show step-by-step process how you can easily reset all default applications on Windows 11. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just like, if this video is going to help you, just write down in the comments so other people can see it too. So first thing first, you want to go to settings. You right click on this start window here, click settings. And when you're going to be here, you want to click on applications and just like scroll default apps and scroll down below, and then like completely down below, and then you're gonna like reset all default applications and click reset. And this is pretty much it how we do it. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.